Welcome back to Homeless Man Gaming.
Homeless Man Gaming!
So we can't game right now because it's pouring rain outside.
And there's no plugins this year.
Well,
Naughty, young
Hey,
man.
record my joke, come on.
go run in the rain. Do it for the viewers. Come on. Woo! Woo! Oh, he's getting right in there.
Oh shit, good. I had a giant Fremantle on my hand.
Over there?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You know my hand size, right? She's absolutely You mean I would have been like, holy fuck. You know my shoes are soaked. I had a Fremantle size in my hand. I found it. Don't take the ball.
Dollar Tree and
live?
Salmon Arm right now.
Are we? No, are we live?
Woo!
No, we can't go live. He needs 50 subscribers.
Yeah. How you doing?
What's up?
Make sure to subscribe to Bomb Man Big. Woo! Subscribe to us too.
I haven't posted in a while. Now we got a new channel posting.
Well, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice night, viewers.
We ain't sleeping.
Then I record later in the evening.
Oh yeah.
Peace out.